everyone. Did you know that a huge part of the world struggle to use websites? This is where web accessibility comes in. It's about making sure the internet is for everyone, no matter their abilities. And guess what? UNICEF, the United Nations Children's Fund, is a leading the way in digital inclusion. They even offer a free online certificate course on web accessibility, perfect for students and IT guys like you. This isn't just a small topic, it's vital for a fair and equitable digital world. UNICEF aims for their platforms to meet the high accessibility standards and they want to empower you to do the same. Ready to get certified? Here's how to sign up for this amazing free course on Agora, a UNICEF learning platform. Go to your browser and search UNICEF Agora free courses. Click on the first website that appeared on the search results. Okay, here we come. In the top right corner, you can see the login option. So if you have already created an account on this website, log in. Since you are the new user, click on register button. On this page, fill in the username that you want and create a strong password. Also your name, email, city and the other details. After creating your account, check your email for a confirmation link and click it to activate your account. So right now, I'm not going to create an account because I already have an account. So after all the steps, go to your dashboard and check all the things. You can see at the top right corners there's a search bar. Click the search bar and search web accessibility training. Uh, okay, this first one here. Click this course. So this course covers the basics, why accessible matters, UNICEF standards, and how to make websites more inclusive. The best part is you got free certificate upon completing. This is a fantastic addition to your resumes or LinkedIn showing you are committed to creating a better web. Uh, Web accessibility skills are increasingly valuable in today's digital world. By taking this course, you are not just learning, you are contributing to more inclusive future for everyone online. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to agora.unicef.org today and start journey into web accessibility. If you found this helpful, please like this video and share it with your friends and subscribe for more valuable tips. So, see you next time.